Two former Waco daycare owners have been accused of injuring children that were in their care, and today they pled guilty to all of those charges.
Britany Hale and Pepper Jones are both charged with injury of a child, and they now face a third-degree felony and up to 10 years in jail. 6 News reporter Andrew Moore explains how parents are still waiting on a final judgment.
It's been 5 years since all this has happened, and I mean, it brings back a lot of stirred up emotions.
Back in 2017, Waco parents had entrusted their kids to a daycare where Pepper Jones was an owner and Britany Hale was a staff member. But then Waco PD was able to find video evidence showing children had been injured in their care. Parents of those children filed into the 54th court today, where they hoped to see those defendants face to face. Instead, they were on Zoom.
That was, I felt like a slap to the face,
Still, parents were able to see both women plead guilty to each and every charge they faced. Father Robert Chavez says it brought some of them to tears.
When they said the guilty, you could feel the energy in the courtroom change. Again, you hear people crying in the courtroom and everything, and it's a relief because you admitted that you were in the wrong.
But while the pair admitted guilt, they were not officially found guilty today. Instead, their attorneys have been pursuing an option called deferred adjudication. 6 News legal expert Liz Mitchell says this would allow a defendant to stay out of jail and avoid having a felony on their record.
The judge feels like you can rehabilitate yourself and you can turn things around. So let's keep you out of the cycle, the justice cycle. Let's keep you from being labeled a felon for the rest of your life.
Judge Susan Kelly said there would need to be a pre-sentencing investigation before she would make a decision on that option. And that's left parents waiting on the system once again.
If it takes a few more weeks to make sure the truth comes out, then we've already waited 5 years, but a few more weeks.
To be honest, I think they all should get whatever they got coming to them.
And that was Andrew Moore reporting for us tonight. Mitchell says if the defendants were granted a probation option, they could still end up facing maximum jail time for violating any probation requirements.